Sometimes I feel trapped, but then I remember where I am and the fictions my mind can create. When I looked at the objects, the floor, the wall, I didn't just see something inanimate. I saw a complex and rich construction. Exploring what wasn't enough. I also had to look for something inspiring. Inside, begin the journey. I have no illusions about what fear can do to us and to our world.
There is a world beyond yourself. Find it. Go for it.
You know, every living being in nature knows that the world is an obvious place of simplicity. Its essence is made of harmony and peace.
The wonder begins. In this act, at least, I found myself discovering a way to extract from within myself what my heart was telling me about this world.
Like dreams, thoughts are not trapped where we are. In that sense, our state of mind can change.
Taking the time to examine our thoughts in silence and see if they're out of sync with the calm that surrounds us becomes an invitation to re-embrace the present we live in.
The world is not so fragile. Let go of the anxiety that pollutes your world. Become, begin, express yourself, truly in the love you wish to reveal. The first idea was that the world was magical. At the same time, I suffered people's suffering and compassion. I lived shared happiness, and I consoled sadness. The feelings spoke to me, and I was happy. I saw in them a light, a wealth, an infinite depth. I had the impression of seeing exchanges by the thousand that went from one being to another without any physical thing being shared, except emotion. Realize how precious it is for everyone to feel accepted. I don't take lightly the energy it takes to talk to everyone, but in the end, we gain more than we give away. There's no doubt that what we say and how we say it are most important, because bringing something new to this world is a responsibility. The world matters in that sense.
There is a world beyond yourself. Find it. Go for it.
Most of the time, the world remains silent. This is its magic, having such a presence and being able to appear unnoticed, while its wisdom lies in remaining neutral and available to all. Understanding the union between what surrounds us and what we must do to increase happiness and peace. The wonder begins. In this act, at least, I found myself. The control we have over the world is an illusion. The only solution we have is to dare letting go, in order to reveal to ourselves the welcoming nature of life. This is when true freedom emerges within us, as an evidence.